night I hear him talk, the coldest story ever told. Somewhere far along this road, he lost his soul to a woman so heartless. How could you be so heartless? Oh, how could you be so heartless? How could you be so cold as the winter wind when it breeze, yo? Just remember that you talking to me, though. You need to watch the way you talking to me, yo.
Hold it. I'll be honest, ladies. It was sounding great, but I could have used a little more train whistle.
Oh, all right.
Let's go.
I mean, after all the things that we didn't do, I mean, after all the things we got into. Hey, yo, I know some things that you ain't told me. Hey, yo, I did some things, but that's the old me. And now you wanna give me back and you gon' show me. So you walk around like you don't know me. You got a new friend, well, I got homies. But in the end, it's still so lonely. In the night, I hear him talk, the coldest story ever told. Somewhere far along this road, he lost his soul to a woman so heartless.
Hold it. Still not feeling it.
Yeah, man. The last time I checked, we didn't have a whole lot of songs that featured the train whistle.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
How could you be so heartless? Oh, how could you be so heartless? How could you be so Dr. Evil? You're bringing out a side of me that I don't know. Out of sight, everyone gon' speak so. Why we up 3 a.m. on the phone? Why don't she be so mad at me for? Homie, I don't know, she's hot and cold. I won't stop unless my crew, because I already know.
Guess what? I got a fever. And the only prescription is more train whistle.
Oh, all right. Here we go.
Do it.
You wanna tell your friends that you're leaving me. They say that they don't see what you see in me. You wait a couple months, then you gon' see. You'll never find nobody better than me.